Hi, it's Teresa in the Pulaski County Public Library Teen Department. Today we're looking at toilet paper roll frog. So a very simple little activity. Again, you're going to need one toilet paper roll. You're going to need a hot glue gun, some scissors, some googly eyes, and the little tongue here is just a little piece of pink construction paper, or however you want to do it, red or whatever you want to make. I also painted this so it'd be green, so I used some green acrylic paint just to paint the outside here of the toilet paper roll line. So you're just going to cut slices here off like this, and you're going to end up with like this. So what you're going to do, you need 8 of these. So you've got 2 right here for his eyes, where his eyes are. This one is kind of flattened for his mouth. This is his body, legs, and then the bottom ones you're going to kind of fold them in such a way that they make a little, kind of like that. So they're going to make little feet, is how I did it. And it'll stay like that. So then what you do, you take a hot glue gun, and this is after you paint everything. Now the lily pad is just something I printed off and traced onto a piece of cardstock, and then I painted it, so it just in a lily pad shape. So what you're going to do, once you put that, you're going to glue these on there in the shape of the frog and put it on to, and you can go up with it so that you have your feet on there and that sort of thing. And then what I did with the googly eyes is I also glued them on too, just here in the back. I just kind of glued them on so they kind of stay together. And again, I used that size, but you can use a bigger size or however you think you'd like to do it. But it's just very simple. It doesn't take very long to do, and it's just a really cute little activity with just using a toilet paper roll and some hot glue. Thanks.